Okay, now we switch on to the today the rational numbers extension of yesterday topic. The rational number is nothing but the number which in the form of p by q, that is comes the rational numbers. After that, yesterday we taught the different types of properties. I told you, right? What are properties? First one, closure property. Second one, what? Commutative.
Commutative
Commutative
property,
property. Next one, associative property.
associative property,
Next fourth one, distributive property.
rule of zero,
Distributive law.
rule
Then
of
after that, distributive law. Then after that, additive identity.
additive identity,
Additive identity. Next one, multiplicative
addi-
identity.
multiplicative identity,
Multiplicative identity. Still anything? After that, next thing, additive inverse.
inverse,
Additive inverse. Next, eighth one, multiplicative inverse.
multiplicative inverse,
Additive inverse means it x. The multiplicative additive inverse is minus x. Multiplicative is x. It is there 1 by x. Like this, we have additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. Till this, the topic is done yesterday. Then rest of these
yes,
properties I was already yesterday discussion is done. If you are in a doubt, you can go and watch the video and come back here. Okay. After that, we started the exercise regarding the properties. Now that extension we should continue with tomorrow today. Next 1.1 we started yesterday. First exercise completely over properties. Second one is additive inverse, multiplicative inverse for given numbers. Then third one we need to fill what are the fill in the blanks, what are the term it is there. That is also depends on the properties. If you're comfortable, then you can do that.
yeah,
Then fourth one, the multiply 2 by 11 with reciprocal of that. Reciprocal means 1 by something else. Then
mm.
fifth one is finished. Sixth one also finished.
Sixth one also finished.
Seventh also finished.
Now seventh one.
No, seventh one. Now we
No,
have
not finished. Yeah.
now seventh one. We has to take now problem. Okay. It's very. I think I was completed seventh one also, or else I'll try to take now seventh one also
No,
yesterday. Okay. Not let us no problem. What is the problem? Seventh one, 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3
plus
minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 3, because minus I was rewrite inside directly. Okay, first I'll take denominators are common. First I'll take those two terms, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Next 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. First I'll take this 2 because denominators are same. I can directly do 3 minus 2, answer is 1 by 5. Plus 7 minus 2, it is 5, 5 by 3. Now denominators are different, you need to multiply. 5 3 are 15, 3 1 are 3, 5 5 are 25. Answer is 28 by 15. Okay. Uh, Now I have got a clarity on that how I did off. If it is number of is there,
yeah.
first denominators are which are same, you can take separately, do that analysis. After that, this you can do according to that. I told you right, take LCM, then after make a boxes and do it out. Same process I did off. I got directly 28 by 15. This is the seventh question answer. Okay. Now seventh one is
Okay.
finished. Now thing is what, subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. It's very
Three,
simple. Eighth one. 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. From means 1 by 3 నుంచి 3 by 4 తీసేయాలి.
1/3 means two.
From means
Yeah.
he has to subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. 1 by 3 is the bigger.
Mm.
But according to what their
Mm.
consideration. Now these denominators are different. We can take 3 4 are 12. Take two boxes. 3 by 1 by 3 into 12. 4 will come. Then 3 by 4 into 12. 3 3 is 9 will come. 4 minus 9, it is minus 5. Minus 5 by 12. Answer is minus 5 by 12.
Minus 5/12. Right,
Answer is
12.
finished. Eighth one is finished. Eighth one first bit is finished.
Finished.
Like this, similarly, you should working on that second and third also.
Um, okay.
Because second one, it's very
Okay.
simple. From right 2
I
by
will do
1.
it. I will do two,
First,
three.
listen very careful. From 2. 2 minus of minus 32 by 13.
Minus 32 by
So it
13.
becomes 2 by 1 minus into minus plus. This is the thing you can continue now. Okay. You continue చేయండి.
Okay.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా క్లారిటీ తీసుకోవాలి. థర్డ్ వన్ ఏముంది, minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7 by 1. So minus 4 by 7 minus into minus plus 7 by 1. From this you'll continue that what you has to do. So this is
Okay.
writing it is you has to understand first of all. This is the third one here. This is the second one. Okay. you have to subtract
Okay.
minus 32 by 13 from 2. So 2 minus of minus 32 by 13. Here minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7 minus 7 by 1. Nothing is that. Take it 1. You continue that. You'll get the answer. Very simple.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us stop here.
Okay.
Next we'll continue for next. What should be added to minus 5 by 8? So he has to get minus 3 by 2. It is what they're telling. What you need to add under minus 5 by 8. You need to add something. You need to add something. Are you adding to x? You have to get minus 3 by 2. Are you clear? Question. Once again, I repeat the
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
What you need to add?
What?
You need to add.
Add
You are going to
5
get this one. You get
minus.
So I'm thinking minus 5 by 2. I'm adding x. I got a 3 by 2. This is the equation writing. After writing, you need to what you're going to find out x. It means something I need to add to this. I got this one. So what I need to find out? X I need to find out, right? X I'll take left
X
side.
value. Yeah.
I take left side. So minus 3 by 2. This plus minus 5 8 I'll send to right side. It becomes
Plus
plus 5 by 8.
5 by 8.
Now I want the value of x. So what you have to do? This you need to simplify first of all. I think you know how to simplify. Take LCM, take two boxes and simplify. You'll get answer. That is value of x. Am I clear?
Okay.
What I should add? So x I should
Yeah.
add to this number. I got this one. So what is x means? This I did not record. I sent to right side. I was simplified. I got an answer now. Clear? Take this and tap
Clear.
this one. The rest of the thing you should working on that. You can check the answers in the next back side.
Okay.
Now next 11th one. Now 11th one is your 10th one. 10th one is finished, right? 10th one is finished now. Just now 10th one is finished. 10th one is not finished, right? 9th one is finished, right?
No.
Okay, now let us 10th
Yeah.
one. What's the 10th one now? The sum of two rational numbers
The
is
sum of two rational numbers is 8. Is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, find the other.
Okay. The sum of the two rational numbers. I was taken two rational numbers. One is x, one is y. I was adding two rational numbers. What I got? 8. Summation of rational number is 8. After that, one rational number is minus 5 by 6. So you can take x is equal to minus 5 by 6. Okay. What they mentioned already. What is the rest of the thing? One you're going to find out. What is the other rational number they are asking? Okay. Just you need to substitute here.
Okay.
Minus 5 by 6 plus y is equal to 8. What do you want? Y is required, right?
Y value.
So y is equal to 8 by 1 minus 5 by 6. Go back to that side plus 5 by 6. So you need to simplify. You can do it out. You'll get the answer now. What's the value of y? This is the final answer. You can continue this thing. I don't want to do now. Clear?
Okay.
It means that the question has to be clear. Summation of two rational numbers is 8. Out of this one rational number already mentioned, you can substitute instead of 1. The rest of the rational number you need to find out. That rational number should be left side. The what you know you should send to right side. According to the procedure you did of, you're going to get an answer now. Clear?
Okay.
Right.
Clear.
Now switch on to the 11th one. What's the 11th one now? Is it subtraction
11th
associative in rational numbers? Example with an example. The subtraction associative, is it working with the rational numbers or not? So, but the answer is according to the thing, it is not associative because I'll write it is write in the answer, not associative, not associative. Subtraction in associative. Why not means I'll take one number. We should be taken into consideration. You can see that 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 they are taken one example with the textbook. This is not equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
This is not equal. Actually, this you take separately. First, you need to subtract from this, then you can subtract from this. Check the answer. After that, you need to subtract this both, and you can subtract from this. You're not supposed to get same answer. That is what it is not associative in subtraction rational numbers. Just copy this one example.
Okay.
This is an example. Not associative subtraction. not associative subtraction in rational numbers.
Rational numbers.
Because just I took an example, I did of it is not associative. This is the associative subtraction. Associate addition is okay. Associative subtraction is not possible. Associative addition is possible. Subtraction is not
Not
possible.
possible.
Okay.
Not possible. Okay.
Now clear. Now 12th one. Verify minus x is equal to x. Verify
Minus of minus x is equals to x.
it is not minus of minus x is equal to x. Okay, minus of minus x is equal to x for x is equal to 12 by 15, right? Everything will come, right? Minus of minus x is equal to x. This is cover only, right? Minus of minus 2 by 15 minus into minus plus 2 by 15. It's working, right? It's correct only, first one. Second one, x is equal to 13 by 15. You can write minus of minus 13 by 17 is equal to just 13. Minus into minus plus 13. 13 by 17 is equal to 13 by 17 only, right? So it's correct only. Am I clear, right? Just you need to substitute the value of x in both cases. Left RHS is equal to LHS. If it is possible, then it is possible, because the system only it's possible. Minus of minus plus x is equal to x. Automatically, these are every number. Whatever the number you substitute, it will go into satisfies. There's no question on that.
Okay.
Clear now?
Clear.
Now this textbook should be very clear now.
Okay.
Okay. Now take next question.
13th one.
13, what is the question?
Right.
Right.
First one. The set of numbers which do not have an additive identity.
Answer is natural numbers. Natural numbers, because natural number will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because
1,
we
2,
don't
3,
have
4.
additive identity. Additive identity means 0 it doesn't have.
Additive identity.
0 under the intro. That's what natural numbers answer. Next, second one. Arthamenda, have you
The
got it?
rational number. Yeah. The rational number that does not have any reciprocal.
The rational number that doesn't have any reciprocal. Answer is 0.
Yeah.
Because if you take 0 reciprocal, some 1 by 0, answer is undefined or infinite. That is what the 0, it doesn't have any reciprocal.
Any reciprocal. Third one, the reciprocal of a negative rational number.
The reciprocal of
Negative
rational
rational number.
is negative only.
Negative.
Is negative only. Because I'll take one example. Minus 2 by 3, one rational number, one negative rational number. Example I'm taking. Minus 2 by 3, one negative rational number. If you take reciprocal, 1 by minus 2 by 3, it becomes minus 3 by 2. This is a negative reciprocal number. Negative rational number. Clear? It's negative only. The answer is negative. Okay, with this our discussion is over now. So first text is completely finished. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have to now switch on that properties is done. Now today onwards, how to represent graphical analysis in the number set of line. Numbers lines, how to make it the set of numbers on the number line, rational numbers LR. I think generally, I think we know that generally the numbers will be this number line they are writing already. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is negative, positive. This is general natural numbers and whole number integers you can keep in the number line. It's simple.
Yeah.
It's very simple. But rational numbers, the p by q form of number, how to write in the set of the here, how to represent the numbers in the number system, that we need to clear today, that we have to see today onwards here. Okay. Now let us move back to that textbook analysis. This is the general numbers. I think this, number systems, positive and negative numbers. It's very clear. Okay. Next numbers in the middle, 0 and 1, 1 by 2, middle 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, middle. So just I'll take one example. I'll try to explain. What is example 5? Identify the rational numbers shown in the AB marked with the following numbers. We can do it out. It's very simple. 0, it is 1. So parts is a 7 by 7. It's okay. So this is, if you wanted to see here, I'll try to explain this example. You can looking into the example 5, because some example problem you see, you can understand now. Okay, let us deep see that. See now.
Yeah.
So here, here it is 0. Here they mentioned it. What is the value of here? 1 already mentioned.
7 of minus.
No, it is 0. It is 1. It is 1. They already mentioned the question. It is 1. Okay.
Okay.
What is the value of A? What is the value of B? You have to say in the identify the rational numbers showed in the A and B, marked on the A and B. Please tell me the numbers. That is the question. Okay. Now I'll tell you one example before going to that. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. Am I clear, right?
Clear.
I'll tell you one more example. The person A has 5 rupees.
5 rupees.
Person B has 10 rupees. Person C has 15 rupees.
15 rupees.
This is, very clearly. Okay. Like this, the total they mention. Total they mention. How much they mention? 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 15, 30 rupees. Total 30 they mention. This is like the total. Here to here, it is 1. So they are making it to parts. They are verifying it is. That is what the example like this. What is the A? What is the B? What is the C? Total they mention. What is the A, B, C? They're asking. So still you need to understand very clearly. I'll take simple this one. 0 నుంచి 1 వరకు ఈ నెంబర్ లైన్ దీంట్లో ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 7 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The number line here to here divided into 7 parts. Okay.
7 parts.
Here it is 1 is there. You can write 7 by 7 is nothing but 1 only. Okay.
Okay.
Here the value is here to here 1 part out of 7. It is the 1 first. It is 1 by 7.
1 by 7.
It is 2 by 7.
2 by 7. 3 by 7. 4 by 7. 5 by 7. 6 by 7. Now I'm understanding.
It is 7 by 7. Okay.
7 by 7. Okay.
So total number line, how many number of there, you can count it. That you can write 7 by 7. If it is 1 is there, you can write it out. Otherwise, you can according to it, you can split the parts. This is the first part. That is first 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 4, like that. What's the value of A now?
3 by 7.
What's the value of B?
5 by 7.
You can write the answer now from the given question. Clear or no?
Now clear.
Okay. Now we switch on to the next question. Sixth question. Represent 5 by 8 in the rational number. How you have to write 5 by 8? First, I'll tell you basic logics. Any question they mentioned, approaching is like this only. 5 by 8, first of all. 5 by 8 is more than 1 or less than 1? More than 1 or less than 1?
Less than.
Because
Less than 1.
numerator, this is denominator. If numerator is less than the denominator, the value is less than 1. If numerator more than the denominator, the value is greater than 1. What they are writing? If the function is numerator or denominator, there are 2 options. If numerator is greater than the denominator, it is value is greater than 1. Second one, numerator is less than the denominator, the value is less than 1. Okay.
Okay.
So given question, it is 5 by 8. It's nothing but it's a less than 1. Okay. So then what you have to take it is here. First you take a 1 scale. First
One
thing is,
scale.
first you can take 0.
0.
Then after how many denominators, how much is there? 8, right?
8 parts.
8 parts you can do. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 parts you can do it.
6 7 8.
This is 8 by 8. Now you know, right? 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4
1
by
by
8,
8,
5 by
2
8,
by
6
8,
by
3
8,
by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8.
8 by 8. But you required what is what? 5 by 8 only required, right? You
5
can
by
write
8,
here
yeah.
5 by 8. This you can't represent, register the thing, you can erase it. Is this you can write at first, second, third, fourth, fifth one. This is 5 by 8.
So, 4,
First take a number, that number is less than 1 or greater than 1, decide. If it is less than 1,
1.
first take it 0 to 1, the value is there. The last one, you can take it, denominator is 8, it becomes 8 by 8. So 8 parts you divide. In
8
that,
by 8.
5 by 8 means fifth position, you can write this is number line. Clear or not?
Okay. Clear.
No, it's clear, right?
7. Okay. 7.
Yeah. Now, seventh question, it's very interesting. Now, that is the case number 2.
Represent 29 by 6 onto
Okay. 29 by 6 in the number line. After when you're seeing numerator is more than the denominator, it's nothing but what? It is greater than 1. The number is greater than 1.
greater than 1. Greater than 1.
The number, if it is greater than 1, first you need to division like this. 29 by 6, you can divide. How much you got?
6 4 is 24.
The remainder is like this. So this fraction you
I
make it into
remember.
4 like this. You can write mixed fraction 4 5 by 6. Am I clear? 29 by 6 you can write 4 5 by 6.
4
Okay.
5 by 6. Okay.
Okay. 4 5 by 6
Okay.
means what? The number line, the 29 by 6 is come in the number line after 4. After 4 to 5 in between will come. After 4 will come. After 4 will come. Clear now?
4.
After 4 will come. Where it come, you don't know. After 4 will come.
4.
Okay.
Okay.
First you take 26 by 9, then you can do division like this. You can write.
Division.
You can write it as like this. Mixed fraction you can write down this one. Okay. That is clear, right? Now we are writing 29 by 6 is nothing but 4 5 by 6. Now we take the 4, it is 1. 4 you can keep here. Then after the 4, after what is the number will come? 5 will come. 5 you can keep here.
5.
Don't write anything. 4 you can keep, 5 it keep. How many parts he has to do means 5 by 6 is the right?
5 by 6.
5 by 6 means what? You have to take it 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts you can do.
4, 5, 6.
6 means, okay, right, 6 parts you can do it. After 6 parts, here you can write 5 by 6 means 5th position, right? This is
position.
5 by 6. Am I clear? This is 4 1 by 6. This is 4 2 by 6.
4 1 by 6.
4 3 by
2 by 6.
4 3 by 6.
3 by 6.
4 4 by
4 by 6.
4 5 by 6.
4 5 by 6.
Okay. 4 5 by 6. 4 6 by 6.
4 6 by
6. 4 6 by 6 means
6.
automatically will come. So like that we have to do it. Can I explain once again? 29 by 9, you do it mixed fraction. You take it reference is 5 by 6. The number will come after 4. This is 4. This is 5, you write. 4 to 5 in between will come. 5 by 6 means first to make it total 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts.
6 parts.
5th position means this is the position.
Okay.
This you can write directly 29 by 6. 29 by 6 or else 4 5 by 6 you can write. You write this 4 plus 5 by 6. Like that you can do it out. More than 4, more than 1, this is the position. Less than 1, previous case, simpler. Less than 1 means the number will come 0 to 1. It's simple. More than 1 will come. After how much value will come? After 4 means you can start 4 to 5. If something else 6 to 7, like that you can do it out. Depends upon the question now. This question is clear now.
Okay. Clear.
Okay. Now I'll move to the next levels. Please, you have to take a homework. This question you do and tomorrow come to me. 13 by 5. You can take it. Don't take minus 13 by 5. Just you can take 13 by 5. You can take. Just to take 13 by 5. If comfortable, minus 13 by 5 you'll take. Nothing will be the negative side. It will come. Nothing more than that. 13 by 5. Do it homework. No, there is observation is there. Nothing in that. Just addition, subtraction. There are greater than, less than. It is there. No need to. This another explanation they mentioned. Another cases also they'll explanation. I'll try to explain. This is on the board. Another method how they are finding it is. Okay, I'll try to explain the next method. I'll try to explain very simpler method. Okay, write the numbers which are lies in the -3 to 10. Okay, -3 to 10, you have to write 5 rational numbers. Okay, let us try to say this question. Oh, before going to this question, I'll try to explain one more method. I'll come to the questions, whatever there, how to write and how to go for next levels. I'll try to go to the board now. Now, thing is clear. Now, previous case, represent first case you completed. Represent rational number
Rational number
in number
on the
line.
number line.
Number line. First case is, I told you 3 by 9 example. It is less than 1 case finished. 29 with is something else. It's greater than 1 also finished. This is you can do directly, right? This you can do convert into mixed fraction. Then you do it out. This is clear. Now single number represented number line is clear. It's very simpler. That is doesn't make any difference.
Clear.
Now it's go for a thing is what now questions will come. How the questions is now I am try to write one question. I have a rational number that is 2 by 3 example. Or else I'll write 2 by 4 example. 2 by I'll try to call rewrite question now. I have 2 by 7. Then I'll go for a 6 by 7. These are two rational numbers. Okay. In between,
Okay.
please write 3 rational numbers. They'll ask. In between the what? 2 rational numbers or 3 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, 10 rational numbers. How many rational numbers they will ask? They want in between rational numbers. Some people they're asking, please write 3 rational numbers in between. So 1, 2, 3. You need to fill it out. Some people they're asking 5 rational numbers. Some people they'll ask 10. They'll ask 20. They'll ask whatever. How many they want, they will ask. It doesn't have a questions. So how to write the rational number in between the 2 rational numbers? The methodology here, I'll try to explain now. And I will take a sample question. I have a rational number P by Q and R by S. This is a 2 rational numbers. I want one rational number in between both two. In between both, I want one rational number between 2 rational numbers. So how to find this spot, this box? It is take average of, this is capital A, this is capital B. Take average of A comma B. Take average of A comma B. How to take average? A plus B by 2. Nothing but P by Q plus R by S by 2. This is the position of this one. Okay, clear up? This is average of P by Q.
Explain
plus
once again.
R by S by 2. This is A is a rational number, B is a rational number. If you wanted to find out one rational number between the 2 rational numbers.
2 rational numbers.
Clear? A is a one rational number, B is also one rational number.
B is a one rational number.
In between A and B, you want one rational number. This is the one rational number you need to find out. One rational number you need to find out. How to find between the 2 rational number means this rational number will come taking average of A and B. Average how to find means A plus B by 2 is the average of formula. Average formula is A plus B by 2. What is the A? A plus B. A plus B by 2. What's P the by A? Q. What's the B? R by S. P by Q. So A by P by Q plus R by S by 2. This rational number you are going to get. Okay. Okay. I'll try to explain one. I'll try to take one simple example to understand it is 2 by 7, 5 by 7. This 2 rational number. You want this rational number in between. How to do it? Take average. This is A. This is B. You can take average of A and B. Nothing but value and no? A plus B by 2. Nothing but what? 2 by 7. B by 2. 2 by 7. 2 by 7. 2 5 by 7. By 2. By so 2 by 7, 5 by 7 means 7 by 7 by 2. 7 by 7 means 1. So it's nothing but 1 by 2. Answer is how much? Answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Ikkada answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Clear? 1 by 2. Clear. This is the procedure is if they mention two rational number, if they're asking only one rational number, ఒకటే కావాలనుకోండి, this is the procedure. If they're asking
Okay.
three rational numbers, if they're asking three rational numbers, first is finished up.
Finished.
First is, if they're asking three rational numbers, first you finish this one. Then after here you can take one analysis. Here you can take one more analysis. When you're finding this in between, you can take these two average. Okay. Want to find out these two average you can take. I'll tell you this number here. Average of these two. What you can do? 2 by 7 is 1 by 2, then whole by 2. Okay. This answer is 7 2 ja 14. 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 7. 4 2 2 ja 4. 4 plus 7. 11 by 14 by 2. 2 by 1. 11 by 14 into 1 by 2. This answer is 11 by 28. 11 by 20. The answer is here 11 by 28.
11 by 28.
Next, here 1 you got. Now here in between this you what? You can take it out. 1 by 2 plus 5 by 7 whole by 2. This is one method. So 4 7 2 14. 7 plus 10. 17 by 14 by 2 by 1. So 17 by 14 into 1 by 2. Nothing but 17 by 28. Okay. Now how many numbers you got now?
Okay.
Three you
Three
got.
numbers.
Three numbers you got. Some people they wanted it, they'll ask, I want 5 rational numbers. Take it out. In between 2, in between, in between, in between. How many you got now extra? 1 2 3 4. 4 plus 7 you got. 7 వచ్చినాయి. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఒక్కటి వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 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 ఇక్కడ. Again you want, take in between. How many you want, that many you create. వాళ్ళకి 1 lakh కావాలంటే 1 lakh కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ప్రొసీజర్ మాత్రం ఇది సింపుల్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఏదైనా బ్లండర్ గా చేయొచ్చు ప్రొసీజర్. అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు? జస్ట్ టేక్ యావరేజ్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ బి, ఇక్కడ కావాలంటే a plus b by 2. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ నీడ్ టు క్లియర్ ఎలా చేయాలో తెలియాలి. ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యూ మస్ట్ బి క్లియర్. అడిషన్ దెన్ డివిజన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో. అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ ఐ వాస్ ఆల్రెడీ అప్లోడెడ్ వన్ వీడియో. ఫ్రాక్షన్, అడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, డివిజన్ యూ కెన్ వాచ్ అండ్ కమ్ బ్యాక్. You have more clarity on that. Now this is the procedure to write it is. Now we switch on to that exercise problems. What they mention it is. Now looking. That is one procedure. What I was explaining, this is one simple procedure. Okay. What I just now explained on standard procedure that now. Now I'll try to college textbook procedure. Write 5 rational numbers.
Rational numbers between
-3 to 0.
3.
-3 ఇక్కడ, 0 ఇక్కడ, 5 కావాలంట. So they are out simple. -0 by 10 to 10 you multiply numerator denominator. They are multiply with 10 numerator denominator. So nothing but what? -30 by 10. ఇక్కడ 10 by 10. So much nothing but 0 by 10.
0 by 10.
-30 before what you got? 29 by 10.
29 by 10. 28 by 10. 27 by 10.
26 by 10 up to 0. How many you want, that many you write.
20.
Okay, that many you write till 0. Okay, 27 26 25 27 2 -1 then 0. They wrote how many 5 they want. They wrote 3 starting, 2 ending. In between number of it is possible. Just they wrote. This is one example, one type of, you can write it out. Nothing wrong in that. Okay. Now it is clear.
Clear.
Now we'll take your exercise questions now to understand more. We'll going down. Now read the first question, Anna.
Represent these numbers on the number line. First one, 9 by 7.
Chestara idi 9 by 7. It is greater than 1.
9 by 7.
It is greater than 1. Okay. So 9 by 7. You can take 9 greater than 7. 7 1 is 7. It is 2. How can you write this one? 7. How can you write this? Huh? How can you read this one? Yeah, it's converted to mixed fraction. How can you write?
7 1 by 2.
7 1 by 2.
7 1 by 2.
No. 1 7 1 2 by 7. 7 1 ja 7 plus 2, 9 by 7. This is the procedure. This is already denominator.
Okay,
Everything
sorry,
is denominator. It must be clear.
Okay.
I'll write it is, if you have
Okay.
any questions, I'll write it is. This is the denominator. Let's fix. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. Okay. Clear
Okay.
now? This is the way you can write down.
Clear.
So it is 1 2 by 7.
Okay.
Now it's clear. Now this question is right. 1 2 by 7. It means after 1 you get. So 1 you can write
7.
here. 1 you can write here. 2 you can write here. In between you can write
2,
7 parts.
7,
1
7.
2 3 4 5 6 7 parts. Out of what is this? 2 by 7, right? This is 1 by 7, 2 by 7. This is what? 1 2 by 7. This is nothing but what? 9 by 7. Clear? Huh?
9.
Am I clear, Deepu?
No, explain once again.
1 2 by 7. This number 9 9 by 7 you write 1 2 by 7, right?
Okay.
Have you got away got 1 by 2 1 2 by 7? అర్థమైంది ఎలా వచ్చిందో 1 2 by 7?
1 2 by 7.
అర్థమైందా?
Yeah.
తర్వాత ఇట్ మీన్స్
అర్థమైంది.
దిస్ 1 2 by 7 is in between 1 to 2 ఉంటది. 1 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటది. అంటే 1 కంటే ఎక్కువ means 1 after the more than 1 means 2. The minimum value is 1, the maximum value is 2. So in between 1 to 2 you has to split the number line into 7 times. 7 equal parts because denominator is 7. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 parts you can do it
Okay.
out. After 7 parts, what is the number here?
5,
2 by 7,
6,
right?
7.
2 by 7.
Okay.
1 2 by 7. After 1 you can take 2
2 by
parts.
7.
1 2. This is 2 by 7. So this is 1 2 by 7. Nothing but 9 by 7 is here. Now it's clear?
9. Okay. Okay.
Clear, huh?
Clear.
Can I go to next question?
Yeah.
Next to 7 by 5. Same, it is also more than 1. What's the value you get? Tell me how to write the mixed fraction. Do and tell me the answer now. 7 by 5. Seven by 5. Do and tell me
7
fast.
minus 7 by 5.
Just take 7 by 5 and tell me, that's all. I'll take minus 7. What I have to do?
Okay.
Tell me the answer fast. Let me try. Make it fast. What is the answer?
How? 5.
What is the answer now?
Why?
This you can write mixed fraction. What you can write? 7 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. It is 2. This you can write 1 2 by 5. Minus 1 2 by 5. We can write very clearly.
1 2 by 5.
So this you can write minus 1 2 by 5. Okay.
1 2 by 5.
After minus 1, you'll get an answer.
Okay.
Okay. After minus 1, you'll get an answer. So you have to write your number line. Draw the number line like this. This is, you can take it's minus 1. Okay. Am I clear? It's more than minus 1.
Okay.
More than minus 1. You can write a number line like
Yeah.
this. Minus 1. This is minus 1, right? After minus 1, it's minus 1 2 by 5. After minus 1, what is the answer here? 0 only.
5.
Okay. He has to make this into 5 equal parts.
Okay.
Minus 1, after that 0 only, right? This is minus 2, minus 3. If you go write this right side, minus 1 0. After this, you can make it 5 equal. 1 2 3 4 5 equal parts.
5.
After
1
this,
2 3 4 5.
after this is 2 by 5, right? This is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5. This is minus 2 by 5.
2 by 5.
Okay. Here you can write minus
Okay.
minus
Minus 7 by 5.
This is
7
clear.
by 5.
Minus 7
Yeah.
by 5. Till this answer is clear, right?
5.
So you can
Clear.
write, you can take in the negative number line. After 0, it will at negative side, it will go right side. So like that, we has to do the questions. In a positive or negative, doesn't matter. Take a rational number, it is 0, it is negative, it is positive. You know already how to write all these things, negatives is positives, and integer number sets. So like this, this question is finished. More than one or less than one, how to take and do it out. So similarly, you can take next question also, minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13, minus 9 by 13. Okay. They are telling it is they're simple direct question. This one, these three numbers write in the number line. These three numbers it has to write in the number line.
Write in the number line.
It's very simple. He has to take first of all 13 equal parts. You do the number line. 13 equal parts you take it. Is all denominators are same. 13 equal parts means you can take a one number line, make it 13 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 equal parts. Okay. In this, in this, what you're going to getting it out? This is minus 2 by 13, minus 1 by 13, 0 by 13, 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13,
5 by 13.
7 by
6
13,
by 13.
8 by 13, 9 by 13. Sorry for inconvenience. You can write in the back. It'll back LND. 6. This you can write in the similar order. First of all, I'll try to explain once again. This you write in the ascending order. First of all, ascending order means 9 is 9 by 13. After minus 2 by 13. After 5 by 13. Okay, clear now, Deepu?
Yeah.
After this, you can take 13 equal lines. 13 equal parts.
13 equal.
13 equal parts you can take. The starting one, this is minus 9 by 13. Okay. The last one is 5 by 13.
5 by 13.
This you can take it 13 equal parts. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
In this is what? Minus 9. Nectar minus 8 by 13. Minus 7 by 13. Minus 6. Minus 5 by 13. Minus 3 by 13. Minus 2 by 13. Wow. This you can tick it out. Tick చేయండి ఇక్కడ. ఇట్లా మీరు 2 తర్వాత minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 by 13 will come. Totally 13 equal parts you do.
5.
After you can make it out what is required for that. Because all denominators are same, you can do it like this, simple. Clear, huh?
Okay.
So till this
Clear.
first question is finished, second question is finished. Okay. Till this we are trying to stop for today's session, and tomorrow we'll continue rest of the things.